Hello everyone, welcome to Trade Only Zone YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see Nifty and Bank Nifty levels for tomorrow trade, that is 20th 5 2021, as well as the expiry date, weekly expiry date. So we'll see F&O data and then technical and GAN levels. Since I have not get any FADA data, so that is the reason I couldn't show you today. But we'll see option of open interest data and technical and GAN levels. So we'll see one by one. So first we'll see F&O data, that is open interest chart. We see Nifty weekly expiry, that is tomorrow, on weekly levels, and almost calls and puts are equal. So maybe it is maintaining the range. The range is happening from past 2 days. If you see support and resistance level in the weekly open interest, and Nifty support stands at 14,800, and the resistance immediately stands at 15,100. So this is the range now. It's currently at 50. So again, there may be one more sideways day, or we have to wait and watch after 12:30. If in case any breakout, we can go for a trade. And we'll see changes in today. You see here lots of puts were unwinded since market fell in the late afternoon. So yeah, even you can see here there were puts unwinding, so getting unwinded. Why? Because market started falling. The people who shorted the put, they used to lose money. So that is the reason they are covering their positions. And yeah, almost they have covered in the deep also, like 14,650 also they covered. And we cannot say it is covered. They covered the position. We can say it is profit booking also, since market moved very violently upside in the Monday Tuesday trade, and now they usually tend to book the profit. So these are all profit booking, and what was the position here? They're unwinding. It is purely due to their downside risk. They are covering their positions. Today they have covered the positions almost, but weekly it is clearly shows some sideways only. So expiry, I don't think so it will be a big move, but we can expect some volatile movement, since yeah, you can see here both side calls and puts are written equally, and maybe a start triangle here 14,800, and yeah, there will be a volatile range in Nifty, and we'll see Bank Nifty once. If you see Bank Nifty open interest, same like Nifty, no much different. Calls and puts are equal. And if you see weekly levels, and resistance strongly at 34,000, and support it is looking at 33,500. In case if it is break, then 33 is the range. The expiry range will be huge, and 34 and 33 somewhere around this level the expiry can happen, but it is a very wide range. So here also I'm expecting some volatility tomorrow, and we'll see today changes. Yeah, here also the were puts are unwinded. Maybe some downside panic selling came in the like later after 1:32 o'clock the selling came. So that is the reason they started unwinding their position. So yeah, here it clearly shows some bearishness in the market here, the Bank Nifty. Even you can see here the overall positions getting unwinded here. So when the data suggests us there will be a volatile range tomorrow, but I don't think so there will be a trend. Nifty there will be a trend, but Bank Nifty, yeah, we can expect some downtrend. Upside, I don't think so it will break 3,400, 34,000, but downside, yeah, it is possible. We'll see tomorrow, and we'll see technical and even GAN levels also. If you see Nifty day chart, so I already yesterday video also explained there was a trend line breakout, and the breakout candle I get triggered, then we can go long. If it is coming down, there will be a retest. Then we'll try to buy in case any reversal pattern found here, and we can go for a buy. Now it is coming for a retest. This level has to get retested. So this is what I'm expecting. This is clearly indicating the sellers' involvement in the market. So we'll see smaller time frame. If you see 1 hour, yeah, there is a reversal in the 1 hour. So this is the range previously the Nifty taken up, and yesterday video I've explained that there is a range, and in case of downside the breakout, we can expect a selling pressure in the 15 minutes I have shown you. So this is what exactly yesterday range, and today market broken, and the high was safe. Market started coming down. Yeah, I'm expecting the range 14,850 to 900. This is the range I'm expecting tomorrow. So in case if I is safe, then we can expect further fall towards this to retest the level. And we'll see Bank Nifty also once. So you see Bank Nifty day chart. It is also same trend line. Now it is trying to come inside the trend line. It is not sustaining above. So we'll see the intraday momentum. In case market breaking this low, we can expect severe fall. Otherwise, there will be a retest and it may go upside. See 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour also the range bound. Yesterday, as we seen in yesterday, we'll see directly 15 minutes because there is no much change. So if we see 15 minutes, yeah, yesterday I've said this is the range market now. So in case of gap down opening, we can expect a down move. That is what has happened. And even tomorrow also there is a possibility of downside momentum. I don't think so. This I will taken out tomorrow. The market fell down, and in case of retracement, we can go for a sell, and we can expect the level of 33,200 to 33,000. This is the range I'm expecting as per technical. We'll see GAN method also. So GAN levels where the buy will be, where the sell will be. Hope you are following our GAN levels also. So if you see GAN level, I said in the yesterday video also, it is in the sell range. So we can expect a downfall towards this 49.45 and 14.880. So a market can reach this level. So there is no other way, because if it is in the upside, then Nifty need to break 15,190. Then otherwise there will be a down move towards 14,945 and 14,884. And we'll see Bank Nifty also once. If you see Bank Nifty also, yeah, it is same in the sell range, and as long as trading below this level, then we can expect further fall towards 32,700 and even 32,400 also. So if Bank Nifty needs to move higher, then 34,225 need to break. Since it is positional view, at least the day candle need to close above this, then we can expect a bullish move. Otherwise, we can expect further fall only. For intraday, we can expect this momentum to happen very soon because it is forming the range. So in case of upside breakout, we can expect the bullish momentum. And in case if it is moving down, slowly it will come. And 33,124 is easily possible. It is coming down. And 32,700 also possible in the downside. So always you want to go for a long, then wait till this breakout. Otherwise, be in the sell side. Every rise will be done, and you can keep this as a target. Thank you all. Thank you for watching this.